You think you just found a great deal on a used F-150. The paint is perfect. The Carfax looks clean. The dealer is smiling. But what you actually bought is a financial time bomb waiting to detonate in your driveway. Dealerships thrive on your lack of engineering knowledge. They want you to buy these specific years. Today, I am exposing the 5 F-150 model years you must avoid at all costs. Let's look at the data. Number 5. The 2004 F-150. This was the introduction of the notorious 5.4-liter Triton 3-valve V8 engine. Ford engineers made a catastrophic miscalculation. The spark plugs have a two-piece design flaw. When you go to change them at 100,000 miles, they literally break in half inside the cylinder head. A simple $200 tune-up instantly turns into a $2,000 extraction nightmare. And that's before the plastic timing chain guides shatter, blocking the oil pump screen and starving the engine. If you see a 2004 with the 3-valve Triton on a lot, walk away immediately. Number 4. The 2013 F-150 with the first-generation EcoBoost. Ford pushed the twin-turbo 3.5-liter as the future, but they failed to master direct injection. These engines suffered from a severe intercooler condensation issue. Moisture pooled at the bottom of the system. When you step on the gas to pass a semi-truck, the engine ingests that water. It violently misfires. You instantly lose all power on the highway. It is a massive safety hazard. Add the fact that the primary timing chains stretch prematurely, throwing the camshafts out of phase. Replacing that timing chain requires pulling the entire front of the motor apart. That's a $3,000 bill. Number 3. The 2018 F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote V8. You would think a naturally aspirated V8 is safe. Not in 2018. Ford changed the cylinder liners to a plasma wire arc transfer coating, and it became an oil-consuming monster. Owners were suddenly reporting burning a full quart of oil every 1,000 miles. The engines were drinking it. Ford's official fix: a software update. They reprogrammed the computer to close the throttle body differently. A software update does not fix defective cylinder walls. It just masks the physical damage. The only true fix is a replacement engine block. That is an $8,000 trap waiting for the second owner. Number 2. The 2010 F-150, the final fatal year of the Triton engine. Ford claimed they finally fixed the cam phaser issues for this year. The truth? They didn't. But 2010 introduces a new horror. The roller followers wear down and collapse. When the roller follower fails, it grinds the camshaft into metal shavings, pumping debris through the entire block. You will hear a loud, aggressive ticking noise that sounds exactly like a diesel engine. Once you hear that tick, your engine is already dead. You are buying a paperweight. And the number 1 truck you must avoid at all costs: the 2021 F-150. This is the first year of the 14th generation. It is a catastrophic electrical nightmare. It is plagued with parasitic battery drains. The truck will attempt over-the-air software updates while you sleep, and it will completely brick its own modules, leaving you with a dead, unresponsive $60,000 brick in your driveway. If it has the max tow package, the rear axle hub bolts are known to literally shear off while driving. You are not buying a tough, reliable truck. You are buying beta testing software disguised as a luxury vehicle. If you want a truck that actually builds wealth instead of destroying your bank account, stick to the legendary OBS or the 10th generation F-150s. They were built with steel and respect. Subscribe to F-150 Garage right now. I analyze the deep engineering data so you don't lose your shirt. Drop a comment below. Have you ever owned one of these 5 nightmare years? Tell me your repair bill.